towering ferns block your view. And then you hear it, a deep, earth-shaking rumble. Standing 2 stories tall with a bite force that could crush a car, running seems like the only option. But here's the thing. T-Rex probably could outrun much faster than 12 miles per hour. So running in a straight line is a death sentence. It couldn't turn quickly without risking a fall, a potentially fatal injury for such a large animal. You are small, agile, and can squeeze into places it can't reach. It could likely smell you from miles away. This means hiding and staying still might not be enough if the wind is blowing in the wrong direction. Now let's move on to another terrifying scenario: the raptors. While not as intimidating, a pack of them would still be deadly. But the real threat in the raptor family was you. You need to disrupt that strategy. Your best weapon is something they've never seen before. A flaming torch would not just be a weapon, it would be a psychological tool, something that could break their coordinated attack and cause confusion. Let's change gears from carnivores to herbivores. They were herd animals, fiercely protective of their young. If you stumble upon a herd, the worst thing you can do is startle them. Just like with elephants today, you do not want to get between a mother and her baby. Your survival depends on showing them you are not a threat. The same goes for the long-necked sauropods, like Argentinosaurus, the heaviest land animal of all time. While they wouldn't intentionally harm you, just being near them is a hazard. A single footstep could crush you without the animal even noticing. Their tails, used as defensive whips, could move at supersonic speeds. The sonic boom alone would be deafening, and a direct hit would be instantly lethal. Their scale is beyond our comprehension, and in their world, we are as fragile as insects. So, let's synthesize a universal survival guide. First, situational awareness. Your modern senses are dulled. You need to relearn how to listen for snapping twigs, watch for unnatural movement in the foliage, and smell for the telltale scent of a predator or a carcass that might attract one. Always know your escape routes. Second, understand animal behavior. Predators don't want to fight, they want a meal. If you make yourself seem like more trouble than you're worth, they might just pass you by, make loud noises, appear larger, and never ever turn your back and run in a straight line. Third, use your human advantage, your brain. Your ability to problem solve is your greatest weapon. Learning to respect these boundaries is the single most important skill you could have. Mosquitoes the size of small birds could carry unknown diseases. Poisonous plants, volatile weather, and geological instability would be constant dangers. You wouldn't just be fighting dinosaurs. You'd be fighting the entire prehistoric world. Every rustle in the leaves could be your last. Every shadow could hide a predator. The ground itself is your enemy. And you can't outrun that.